Go.
All right, we just made the trip, spring break 2025, and we are at an Airbnb at Santee Cooper. We are in, I think, Bono, South Carolina, but it's got its own private boat ramp. As you can see, pretty nice little place. I think Ford and me and the boys are going to test the water and check it out. But we're looking for bass, we're looking for catfish, crappie, whatever bites really, but we're here for the next couple days, so stay tuned. Should be a great video. Hopefully the Grumman, all right, catches some fish for us. And maybe Brooks is already enjoying his himself on the deck, on the dock rather. But as you can see, it's a beautiful area, and hopefully we can catch some fish. It looks like with the wind going right here, it might be a spinnerbait bite. So we'll check it out. Stay tuned.
Okay, let's look at you on the other. Oh, good. Leave it's manatee.
Alright, so that's where we're gonna go in, guys. So,
Look at all those kayaks and canoes.
Look at that soak.
Yeah. They have a canoe and 4 kayaks. Got one?
Got one. Oh,
What is that?
he's trying to throw it.
no.
Jump.
Eat him in, boy.
Get him in. Get him in,
Yeah.
boy. Get him.
Look at how light he is.
Yeah.
Get him in, boy.
Fish number 1 at Santee.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Can we see how much it weighs?
No, we don't have batteries.
You trying to give out?
You take a picture with him? Come over
Yeah.
here. Yeah, I want you to release it.
Do these people like leave their boats in always unless there's like a big storm?
All right, Big Brooks, first bass at Santee Cooper. I'm just gonna let you release him, okay, buddy?
That tree looks good.
Where do I release him at?
Right here. So,
I'm gonna
or on
go-
this side, it doesn't matter. What's it say right now?
30 feet.
Is that a big one?
That's a big one.
Oh, shoot.
Oh no, it's a.
Oh.
Yeah.
We should eat that. We should eat that. We're throwing that thing in the live well. Those things are good.
Yeah, those things also rip your.
What are those?
It's a pike.
It's a pike?
No, it's a chain pickerel.
It's a jack chain pickerel is what they call it.
Here, Brooks.
I'm not gonna touch that.
Yeah.
Here, we'll throw it in.
I'm not even touching that.
Give me the pliers.
That thing's so.
I got it.
That looks scaly.
We'll throw them in the live
He
well.
looks like a dinosaur, doesn't he?
Yeah.
We'll throw them in the live well.
Okay, we don't want to throw this thing in the live
Yes,
well.
I'm gonna eat them.
No, that's a pike.
Please.
No, wait, look. Wait. He's not. You're not gonna be able to grab that thing out of there. You don't need this thing in the live well. We're gonna have plenty of catfish to eat.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. You good? How you like it, Brooks?
Y'all
No?
Brooks, go reel in.
No.
Yeah, never mind. He already got it.
You got it?
Oh,
Ah, it was another chain pickerel.
it was.
It was another chain pickerel.
All right.
Is there like a drop off here?
There's a hole.
That's what I want to have up at the lake
Grandma,
house.
there's a crack. Grandma, there's a crack, so it's letting
It's,
water in and it's cold.
All right, here's our view from our spring break home for a couple of days.
I'm in the boat.
Got the water mat out there. Got Sissy in her bikini. Mom in her camo shorts. And Birdie.
He just went all the way up.
And Birdie boys are in a
Canoe.
canoe all the way down to the, going to another spot over there.
No.
Hopefully they make it back.
Can she get
We're about to go on a boat ride.
Can she get- Like to swim in. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold.
Do what?
No. Albino? You got something?
No. Where? Oh,
He going? He going? He got one!
Oh,
He got one! Dad, can I hold it? No, it doesn't.
Did y'all not know I was reeling it in?
you
Can I
make it on
hold it?
portrait mode or
I want to hold
huh?
it.
what do you do? Portrait mode or?
I got a camera going right here.
I want to hold it.
Let me get it off the hook, Papa.
Somebody hand me a pole
He's right where he thought
Yes!
and like an anchor.
he was. There you go.
Can I
No,
go
I need
back
a pole.
in? No.
What pole?
Alright, yeah, see y'all don't
that
see my
shaky,
phone?
the one with the worm on? Man, that's a giant above ground pool.
Where?
Right there. Look how huge that thing is.
Oh, it is big.
No.
What, that pool? That's huge. Yes. It looks like it's about to...
Oh!
Oh no. How you broke your line?
That was a nice one.
The fish.
Nasty old fish. Another bass. Alright, here's two. Here, hold the other one in the other hand. And we'll put them back.
Cheese.
I'm not cheesing, it's a video. Alright, there's two pretty good ones. We will know where we can kind of stop from catching.
Well, the deepest spots are over there.
Where?
Deepest spots are like right here. That one? Is that the fruit?
Yeah. He just came off. No, he didn't.
What is it?
The bass, I'm assuming.
Bigger. Ooh, it's a nice one.
Yeah, we'll put him in the live well.
Okay. Nice one.
You got the plug in?
Yeah.
We'll take pictures at the end. Nice one, babe.
Got one?
Yeah, you said it didn't sink it. It seemed fine to me. You did pretty good on setting the drag though, I think.
But I think you got. It looks like catfish.
That's
No,
bass.
it's bass. Bowman level.
Yep. All right, we got two and our second keeper. So Ford and I are off to a good start right here. Two, and we're in a tournament really just against ourselves. See how much weight we'll end up getting. All right, so we had a bad storm in our tournament right now. We got to get the boat out of the water, but so far we have two keepers. Ford and I need 3 more to get our 5 for this little tournament that is just in our minds.
In your mind.
All right, let him go.
Okay. Can I let this one go?
Yep. All right, storm stopped. I'm back at it. GoPro stopped recording. Got this guy on fluke. This is keeper number 3. Go ahead and put him in the live well. I took the other 2 out because of the storm and I didn't want them to be in bad shape, but still continuing this challenge, just seeing if I can get 5 keepers by myself. Ford already tapped out on me. Not a bad one. Okay, fish number 4, boys. They're getting bigger. Yes, sir. It's a nice one. Smoking silver fluke again with a football jig head. My GoPro, I got to reformat it. Hopefully, just taking the battery out will do it some justice. Gonna put this guy also in the live well. 4 fish. All right, this is the challenge right here. So we'll see. It's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, Lord, that would get us in there. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. Oh my goodness gracious alive, boy. Not working, but as you can see, that's a nice fish. Beautiful fish. Oh man, it was a nice fight. I'm gonna go ahead and release her back because my live well's piece not very good. But oh, thank you, girl. I'll go to the right, you go it right over against the...
The dock's in a bad spot. You can't even get a boat through the boat ramp.
Huh?
You can't get a boat through.
Well, I think it's like an old boat ramp. They just built that.
Looks like crappie.
No, it's bad. Oh, decent one. Good size one, huh?
Yeah.
You want to put it in a live well or no? Sure, it Brooks. I got water in it from yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good.
Got one? Biggie?
No, I just wanted to. Oh yeah. Oh, course, it's not recording.
Huh?
Of course, my thing's not recording.
Very good.
Do what?
Throw him on NPT.
I did not think I was gonna catch one in here. Gotta be cars, huh? No, it's a little bass. Little tiny bass. Little tiny bass. All right, kind of been windy today. This is one of the better ones today. Hadn't caught some real big ones. You want to let that one go, big guy? Well, hold on. You want to show Grandma?
Yeah, come on.
Oh. Well, they're still biting. Santee Cooper, spring break, 2025. Man, you gotta get out there. There's too much living to be doing. You gotta get out there, catch these largemouth. What do you think, Brooks? Yeah, he ain't about catching fish. Keep living. Gar. The gar biting. Oh. Well, that's what happens when you don't retie freaking fighting big hog mollies at Santee. And I didn't even retie. Got my first bite of the day and it snapped me like a, I don't know, little boy, basically. Gosh. Finally good one. He's gonna wrap me around everything, I think. Maybe they were in these pads. Oh. Yes, sir. All right. Different pattern now. We're out on the main channel. We're kind of by Cypress, but to be honest, I just got my line broke, as you can see, but over here in these little pads, and caught them on a small 3-inch power bait. The bass earlier snapped my line and took my tungsten, which I was concerned about, so I've got the little Value brand. But there's my first keeper of the day. Not a bad one. Lily pads, power bait, 3-inch pit boss. Not a bad fish to start the day.
Go, Brooksy! Who's next?
I guess. Wait, this isn't the spot.
No, not now.
This isn't the spot.
Oh, this is the longest video ever.
I'm trying to jump it. Stop, Austin.
I'm scared.
Go off,
Okay?
Right? 3.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Did you touch the ground?
Yes, I hit
All right, Sissy.
I don't want to hit a rock.
Well, I'll bring it. Now me and Brooks are jumping off the dock.
All right.
Okay. I'm so stinking scared.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not listening to you.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm
3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Sissy.
2, 1. 1, go.
Go.
Go. See, look at this man. And you're too scared to
Comes
jump
out
off
of
the
nowhere.
It comes out of nowhere. Belly flop.
Come on, Austin.
All right,
Watch out, Dad.
here we are. Still spring break 2025.
3,
A little cold out here, but not cold enough.
I need to tell. Oh my gosh, I need to tell.
feels good.
Now it's time to go fishing.
I'm going.
Time to go fishing.
Oh, man.
What do you think, Brooks? How many you caught?
0, just 1, but not this one. Worm.
What?
0, just 1, but not this one.
What
Worm.
do you think, Birdie?
You see that?
Sissy?
Hi.
What are you doing over there, Ford? Brooks, you seen any big bass this weekend?
Yes.
Yeah?
That big bass that was in the huge bass that was in there, this old green bass that Ford caught, but the big one the smallest one that you caught was Ford, but the one the biggest one was you caught.
Oh, didn't go fishless on the last day. Finally got one. Whew. Get out of here, maybe there's more. Got to get down in there and get this one, bad boy. Little chunk, but not what we're looking for. 10-pounders are gonna escape me again this year, probably. But nonetheless, I'm happy catching them. That's for sure. That's probably the last bass at A&T for this trip. Farewell, old buddy. Years to come. Gonna hook it up, and I might could back it up too. It might be on there pretty good, but it's got to be straight. Watch those poles. You want me to back off a little bit? Huh? Let me back down a little bit.
Why is it the motor coming up?
Because it's not locked down.